Papa Payinimu nempena for 19 years old, 18 years old. Relax, let me push it. 18 years old. You can pounce on such a person and pick up your Bible and come and sit here. Umunyame. If I go to His Majesty, to the second, and if His Majesty counsels me to me for, so Kofi, I'm saying I'm pachomate. Na me konam ko yade fofra me munana. And I want to say, yeah, me china na no wo. Enye buonye nidi. But utumfo tumifo. Kofi hwade we ye me papa mate. And then whilst I walk away, I go to honor His word. Yababe tiye urade asam. Eye urade. The Lord halalabasha haya. Akomani subani ya fun. But the bottom say lehe haya kuhe yaha. It don't make cancer much at all. Every man's work will be placed on the winnowing fan. Matthew chapter 3 verse number 11. Put it on the screen. Verse number 12. The Bible says, whose fan is in his hand, he will thoroughly purge the floor, gather the wheat into the garner, and burn it with unquenchable fire. Yeah. I'm looking for something, but it's in there. There is an inusua power in the hand of the Lord. From because in the spectacle of God, ladies and gentlemen, if God has not ordered me and leading me doing what I'm doing, there is judgment waiting for me. I'm telling you. I told the team the other day, I said, if you get a little money, Christianity will not be anything for you. And I want to say, you're committed. There are many people seated here. If they get $1 million now, they will never come to church again.